What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another unboxing. I got a lot of messages on my Instagram. Oddly enough, not a lot of messages on my actual YouTube video, but I guess you guys are way more vocal on my Instagram. Many of you had said you're always curious as to see what new products are coming in, so I am going to start doing this as things come. And, we'll see. Maybe it's a product you've been looking into but didn't want to pull the trigger on, but either way, here we go. This is a box from Owner's Pride Car Care. So I think I alluded to this in a previous video that if you follow Pan the Organizer, which I'm sure you do, or you should, you'd know that he did a video on a couple of these products. Many of them I really don't want to buy or even have the urge to buy, mainly because I feel like some products I'm just not going to use. So the only time I'm buying new products lately is shampoos, rinseless washes, waterless washes, possibly interior cleaners and stuff like that. But that goes along with the theme here. We're gonna open everything up and again close for safety, because that's what we do here. And let's see what we got, and be real-time surprise. Put this packaging away. So there are 3 bottles here. I'm going to pull everything out, show you what I did. This is different. There's 3 sprayers, but they are not connected, which I kind of like that. This way there's no, I guess, actual chance to damage anything. You kind of just, connect, like on Avatar, when you connect your hair to their tail, or whatever the hell happened. It's kind of like that. Felt good. I'm sorry, my OCD. I have to. I just have to do it. If I don't do it, who else will? Alright, so I have 3 products. We're going to flip, get the dust out of here. I'm going to flip over the first one. This right here is their Eco Wash, which is a cool product because I watched a demonstration on this, and I'm going to tell you why I purchased this. So it says rinseless car wash, ready to use. So I'm going to just show you purchase number 2 also. Here is their concentrate. So it's basically the same product. I wanted to see what they did with their dilution ratio. As you can see, it's a much lighter color, so it's much more diluted. Apparently this is like a mega concentrate. So this is 1 ounce to 4 gallons. It's a 1 to 512 concentrate. I'd have to figure out how to do those maths, those mega maths, to figure out what to do to get it into this. But I really don't usually use 16 or 18 or 32 ounce bottles, whatever the hell. It's probably 16. So this is what we got. So in the video, he used this as a waterless wash, a rinseless wash, and even as like a shampoo, like foam. It wasn't like those thick, luxurious foam videos, but it does the job. If you are into detailing, you'll know that some foam, you really do want it to run off more. You don't want it to just be so thick. I know some people are just like, they make these videos and it's just shaving cream, but all you're really doing is sticking on the surface, and it's not really going anywhere. And I'm guilty of making those videos also, but what you want to do is have a good balance. You want it to attach to the paint, but you want it to come down, because as it comes down, it's bringing debris and dirt and grime with it off the paint, so you're assisting yourself. So basically all you're doing is making foam if you put too much product, whatever. That's a video for another day. But these 2 look pretty interesting, and I must say I'm big on rinseless washes and waterless washes, so I will get some good usage out of that. And the last product was this. This is Ceramic Plus. It says ceramic drying aid and sealant. So essentially what he did was he like misted it on the towel a little bit, and just as the car was wet, he applied this, and it immediately started to give this hazy look to it, and then he buffed it off. So immediately when I saw this, being very much into detailing products, I thought right away about H2O Garden Gloss from Adams. Ammo also makes a product that does the same thing. I think it's Hydrate. something like that. There's another product, Leno's Garage has one. A couple people have it now, where it's one of those products where it just assists the drying process. It is good to have. It is good to have. Not everybody has access to air dry. I actually do, and still, because I like product testing and this and that, I still favor drying sometimes. So this seems nice, and the fact that there is some ceramic sealing properties in this, I figured it was worth giving it a shot. I'm going to try it on the Hawk. Again, this product I might not be able to try or demonstrate for a little bit, specifically because it is most definitely winter now, and exterior car washes outside is not really working out. So I either need to do an interior car wash, which I do have the water mat for, or I just wait until spring. But either way, it's here. I couldn't help myself, and they did have a 25% off sale, so that did help assist in me wanting to purchase this. I did have a small issue with my PayPal that actually had absolutely nothing to do with the owner of this company, and I'm going to tell you how I know I would do business with this company again. I'm praying that the products are really good, but I would do business with this company again, you know, if the products work well, which I'm assuming they will, because Pan gave it a seal of approval. But the owner actually contacted me on the phone. We were emailing back and forth. PayPal actually made an error and charged extra money. I thought it went to him. He was replying very quickly. The owner is very, very nice, and then eventually he just called me straight up to speak about it, and I got very good vibes from him. Seems like a very in charge kind of guy, so he's paying attention to his company, which is always a good sign that he's not letting other people handle everything. Like, you're not gonna have an issue with Adams and then Adam is gonna call you, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that kind of company. They're obviously not the size of Adams, but size does not directly relate to the quality, as far as I've had experience. But anyway, these are the three products. Again, let me give you the little view here. This is what we got. Nothing crazy, but I figured some of you guys like these unboxings, and I will do them. If it's not detailing products, it doesn't matter. I'll just unbox whatever the heck I get, and we'll see. But I'm not going to unbox everything, so don't get too crazy. You're not going to get that kind of view into my life. Maybe in the future, someday, if I'm bored and you guys really get nasty asking for it or something, you know, who knows? We'll see what happens. I don't know. That's a little weird, but we'll see. So I just noticed it's the day after. My videos are usually all over the place anyway, but this camera is a Hero 9. This is my Hero 8. This is what I did use on the last few. Again, I've got my Sony that I usually film with. I've got a Hero 5. I've got a bag here with I think a 6 and a 7. I got a lot of GoPros, so it's hard to keep track, but obviously this is the latest and greatest. This is the newest one, and I didn't realize until I edited part of this, and I'm going back right now and finishing, but I had this case on, and I figured this was going to be like a really nice, protective case, but I think this was muffling the mic a little bit too much to my liking. So the audio is probably going to sound a little bit different here, but just so you guys are aware, so I can show you real quick, since, you know, I am going to be trying to do these unboxing videos, probably a lot more, and it is going to be a complete work in progress. I'll get better as time goes with them, and you know, try to have different angles or something. But this, I usually have it like this, and it films pretty much the whole desk. It's weird when you're editing because it looks like it's not a flat surface because of the way the lens is on wide mode and whatever, but it is. I'm probably not going to use the 8 to do that. I'm going to stick with this camera. I bought this camera originally because it has a front-facing screen, so I could be able to vlog down the line and do other stuff with it with a much easier time. So I'm going to be sticking with this as like my main situation, but just wanted to let you guys know. And just so I can clarify, this isn't stuck on here. This is some kind of like silicone-y like sticky pad. I think if you've seen it before, it's one of those ones where it like can attach to like your dashboard or something, and it goes there like that. but that's what this is. I could pull it off at any time and stick these anywhere. I'm trying to get the garage into some shape to do more unboxings, more reviews, more detailing products, more car parts in general, so that I have the room. Like, I'm gonna try to make this more unboxing and car parts setup here and mods, like, so I have a bigger area to work. And over here is going to be more detailing oriented, because obviously I think I mentioned this in a previous video, but that's the way it's going to be. It'll be, just makes more sense to flow better this way. All the detail, well, not all of them, some of them, there's some over in that shelf, and then all the towels, everything, for the most part it's all in this area. And then all we really have here are tools and fuel, and hopefully very soon I'll have my bench back. I remember the hood for the Tahoe, blah blah blah. Anyway, like I'm saying, like I said in previous videos, I'm trying to make this page more about, I guess, me and daily stuff and my life than it is just about, oh, okay, he's the guy with the Trackhawk, or he's the guy that had the Hellcat, or he's the guy that got screwed over by some crazy bunk ass disgusting shop in New York. I don't want it to be one of those things. It's gonna be just me going forward, and you know, we'll talk about mods and changes, and then eventually when the new house is built, we'll talk about all that. It's gonna be a lot of stuff. There's a fun ride ahead. So anyway, real quick before I leave, I didn't get a chance to do what I wanted to do usually, and that would be the scent test. So I whoa, holy Christ, did you see that? If you didn't see that, let me show you again. Hold on. It's like a jack-in-a-box. All right, so this is the concentrated Eco Wash, and it's got a very nice smell, like almost like a blueberry, some kind of berry smell. And as expected, the diluted version has a hint of that, but nowhere near the same scent. And then this is the one I was the most curious about. This one has almost like a minty type fresh scent, very fresh scent. All three smell very good. So as you know, with me detailing products, it's not just how they perform. It's not just the pricing. Pricing doesn't really matter a ton to me if the product is very good. I've been using some boutique, bougie type stuff, probably more than I should have, but it's the scent. When you're using a product for extended time, you don't want, like Iron X and stuff, if it just smells really bad, it's not going to perform as well in your head. I guess it's like it's a mental thing. But anyway, yeah, that's what that is. So let's finish this correctly. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your loyalty. I appreciate every one of you guys. I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope everybody's staying blessed. I'll see you guys on the next one.